Hello guys, it's Crosscuts, and today we are going to be unboxing the new Echo hedge trimmer attachment that we just bought. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the outside. Of course, right here it says Echo, and it's the professional's choice. It says a mid-reach hedge trimmer attachment, and then it says Accessorio de Cortezos de Medio Alcance, and I have no idea what that means. Let's go. Extra heavy duty commercial grade magnesium gear case. Here's the Echo PAS whole lineup right here. We have a power pruner, we have a 180 degree articulating hedge trimmer, pro torque trimmer, and a bunch of other stuff, that some of which we have. And it says this attachment works exclusively with the Echo PAS power head. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Okay, now that we've opened it up, we could see a beautiful arrangement of stuff, and this is why I love these things, because they just come like this, no assembly parts. Wow. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have this massive sticker that says 15 meters or 50 feet away. Interesting. We'll look at that later. This right here is the guard I just took off. And then we have this nicely oiled attachment right here. I mean, this is looking really good, guys. One thing I could see is that it easily can attach to the trimmer, which is good. I'll be attaching that later in the video. Other than that, let's open this hefty operator's manual and see what's inside. Safety symbols and warnings. We got the circle symbol, safety alert symbol, danger symbol, warning symbol, caution symbol, notice symbol. Wear gloves, wear eye pro, and don't put your finger in the way and cut them off. Wear eye and face protection. Gonna be doing that. General clothing safety, dust protection. I have no idea why dust and stuff would be flying around while you're hedge trimming, but I guess you could use that. And you can wear this head, eye, face hearing protection. That comes from Echo if you want to buy that. I mean, it looks very, very ridiculous. All of these extremely valuable operators manuals and safety manuals will be stored right inside this box and hopefully not forgotten. We're also going to put this trash in here, and I think we missed a little thing that says cancer and reproductive harm, but we don't even need that. Now right here we have a hook, and this is used for hooking this thing up. I think what you do is you just take this, hook it in, I think on this side, and now that it's hooked in, you can hang it up like this. And it's really simple and easy to use. So yeah, that's what this is for if you ever get that. Before we do anything, I'm gonna put on my gloves. And I'm gonna put on my ear protection, eye protection. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. We'll see you guys in the next video.